What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the AVG antivirus to scan your Wi-Fi network if there's any issues. So if you're connected to a network, this application can help you to scan the network for any issues. To do that, go ahead and click on explore at the bottom option there, and you will be able to find the scan center. Click on that, and here is a network inspector. Just go ahead and click on that, and it's gonna go ahead and now say okay, allow your location, then open the settings and just ensure that you allow this to give access to the application. So now once you go back into the application, you will be able to basically scan your network. And as you can see right there, I'm beginning the scan, and it's going to inspect my network to see if there's any vulnerabilities and check for any threats and so forth. If it found anything, it would have shown there that it found it. But right now you can see that there is no issues, and that's it. So you can easily do the same to scan a network that you're connected to using the AVG antivirus.